Okay, decided to do a little walk around today. You can see I've started building the sides of the trailer. The 2x4 just screwed on to hold it fairly straight. And over on this side, it's just temporarily screwed on. The stud under the horizontal brace is glued in place. This other stud isn't, and it isn't glued to the frame. I want to make sure that I get a nice straight angle. So what I'll do next is temporarily put a bunch of the cross pieces on, and then screw a piece in and bend it around just to see how it goes. And if that works out okay, then I'll start gluing a lot of stuff. That'll be for tomorrow though. But it is. Oh, and I got the door shortened. I have one little problem with it. I've got to adjust the screen door closer and opener because it doesn't seem to be working right. But it'll be easier to adjust everything once I have it screwed to the trailer again, which won't be for a while anyway. The plan now is, because it's getting so cold out, I know the glue won't bond as well, but I'm going to build the whole cabin. Basically, I'm doing it from the outside in. But once I have a skin over it and all the holes plugged, I should be able to get a couple of electric heaters in here and warm it up so the glue will dry well, a lot better, harden better. Plus it won't be so friggin' cold. Still above freezing here, but not by much. All right, thanks for watching.